Imagination Club TV.
Let's spin the wheel and see what we are doing today. Today we are doing crafts.
Hands are ready to create. What are we making? We cannot wait. Oh, cut it, fold it, make something new. It's craft time on Imagination Club TV.
Today we are making a a chorus crown. For your courage crown, you will need 6 sheets of coloured paper. If you do not have coloured paper, you can use plain paper and decorate it yourself. And remember, larger paper will make a bigger crown and smaller paper will make a smaller crown.
Hands ready. Ready. Let's make it. Step by step. Step by step.
Place one piece of paper flat on the table. Turn it so it's wide and not tall. Fold the paper in half neatly. Then press the fold firmly. Fold the paper in half again. Fold the top corners to the center. Remember, you can pause this video, rewind to always catch up with the steps. Fold the bottom flap up. Fold the bottom flap up again. Well done! Your first piece is now ready. Repeat the same steps until you have 6 crown pieces all together. Slide 2 pieces together. Fold the bottom flap up. Keep adding 1 piece at a time until all 6 pieces are joined. Make sure to keep folding the bottom flap up as you keep on sliding the pieces together. Fold the bottom flap up. Bring both ends of your crown together by sliding the first and last pieces together. Make sure to double check that all the pieces are connected. Your courage crown is complete. Well done. Look at what you made. Now your crown can become part of a story. Who will wear your courage crown and what brave thing might they try? Tell a grown-up, friend or teacher about your idea. Need an idea? Let's meet Isaac and see how the courage crown became part of his story.
Craft is ready, story spark. Let's see where the story starts.
Isaac has come to a new football practice, but he doesn't know anyone yet. You look a little unsure, Isaac. Miss T, I don't know anyone here. What if everyone is better than me? Isaac, your courage crown is ready. I still feel nervous. That's okay. Courage doesn't mean the nervous feeling disappears. It means you take one brave step even when the feeling is still there.
Hey Isaac, come play!
Isaac still felt nervous, but his courage crown reminded him that he could take one brave step and have a go.
That's the end of Story Spark. Now your own story can start.
Would you like to share what you made today? Ask a grown-up to email us a photo of your craft with your first name and town or city for a chance to be featured on Imagination Club TV. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our episodes. See you next time on Imagination Club TV.